You can get 4,000 watch hours in just a week, in 10 days. Together with me today, I'm going to explain for you how I'm on a marathon and I'm seeing it is going to happen for me to get 4,000 watch hours on my third channel, that is Whispers of Love. You guys, there are two things that make creators, especially content creators, feel like disgusted as far as YouTube monetization and any other social media platforms. They are two things, that is subscribers and watch hours. Watch hours is exactly, you people, it is huge. 4,000 watch hours. You need strategies to make sure that you get these 4,000 watch hours. So, which strategy am I using right now? It's reliable, it's very okay, you can use it. It's the strategy I'm going to show you today. Good morning, welcome back to Market Show Channels. This is a place where we know we can make money online with our smartphones. So, are you a new beginner as far as social media is concerned, or you want to begin other channels like me, what I'm doing? Please be with me and I show you how you can get easily 4,000 watch hours. Apart from you opening your channel, your YouTube, we are going to show you how at least in 10 days you should get your 4,000 watch hours and monetize them. So, but before I do this, I would love to say thank you to the special ladies. There are two special ladies in this video, in particular this video I'm going to mention. That is Megan. Megan, thank you very much for always coming on this. You are a top engager. You are a top sharer. Thank you, Mama Joes. You are wonderful. You guys, I don't know. I bless God for your lives. So in today's video, by the way, this is a mind-blowing video because most of you don't know that you can easily sit at the comfort of your home and you get the 4,000 watch hours. I've tested it right now. I'm already 800 watch hours in less than 10 days. So you can adopt this method because where I got it from, these people have already monetized. So it can work for you. I said, instead of waiting for me to reach the monetization and come and tell you, let's go along together. It's not violating any rights. What do? This method, you are going to use only your YouTube studio or your YouTube app, whatever you're going to use, as I'm going to show you. Then you use also Chrome. How are you going to use it? I want you to head over Chrome and take a photo like how you're going to see here. Take a photo of a live stream, something like a live stream photo, like the way you see. I went to Chrome, I looked for live stream photos. I took a screenshot in form of a thumbnail. The ratios are for the thumbnail. Then from there, still I went to Chrome. I got a photo of a flower, and even sometimes I use others. It depends on the niche you're in. So I'm always using a flower, or I'm using my own photo, or a person playing, depending on the niche you have on me right. So like the way you can see these two things I got from Chrome, I go ahead and go to my YouTube app. My YouTube normal app, whereby you can upload, you can go live, like normal way of going live. So when you go to YouTube app, you go direct and click on live. When you click on live, it is going to bring for you an interface of going live normally, like the way you can see. So what you do, you go, click on title, put the title. The title, I'm always putting silent live stream. Then in front, I put what I feel I want in my mind, like the topic. These topics, I'll be talking about them next day or another day. Like if you can see in my live stream, I have almost like 7 live stream. I'm giving them topics, but after live stream. That there are silent live stream. I'm not going to talk anything. Then I come down, I make sure that it is in public. Don't leave it in private. And also I go to advanced settings. I make sure that it is not meant for kids. Because if it is meant for kids, there are some things that they will not accept you to do. So I put like commenting and other things. I put not meant for kids. Then I go live. When I go live, because I'm not going to sit on this live stream for a long time or maybe seeing my face, I click in the green screen. When I click in the green screen, I go ahead and put the other flower photo or any photo that I want it to be displayed on the green screen. I will not leave there. Remember now it is scrolling, it is moving to live stream. It is already on live stream. You go direct and mute the mic because you're going to leave it on for some time. I always leave it for the maximum hours I've left is 6 hours, but I want to try 10 hours also if it can be possible, especially when I'm sleeping. So when I go to live stream and I make the mic mute, I let it move. I leave it there. What am I trying to show you? Which method is this? Is live stream method. But you should use it for a long time, like more than 3 hours, 4 hours. Now suppose you've done a live stream of 10 hours and you have gotten 20 people, because people will be coming and going. The good thing you've written there, it is silent live stream. Coming and going out of the live stream I've gotten, immediate, like during the live stream, you can find you get around 20 hours, 20 watch hours. Then you go and save it, create a playlist. Like on this new channel, I created live stream as my playlist. So I put all these ones in live stream channel, live stream playlist. When you put them in live stream playlist, this gives you a chance that you can even tell your friends, you can tell even if you tell 10 friends of yours, they go and run the whole playlist. Imagine you have 10 silent live streams, each has 10 hours. It means those are 10 times 10. It means they are what are they? Is it 100 or 1000? 100. 100 watch hours. And 100 hours, now you're going to tell 10 people, let them make it run overnight for three times. It might be tomorrow and any other day continuous. Already you are nearing you're nearing the target of a threshold of 4,000 watch hours. Apart from this, do you know I've gotten a number of subscribers out of live stream? So I said, instead of waiting for myself to first monetize and then I come and tell you, then you start when I've already finished, let me come and share with you. Guys, this is a silent, nice, recommended way that people have seen my friends get monetized. And it is monetizing my, it is by the way on the road to monetize my channel, my new channel, Whispers of Love. And this one makes it more perfect. There is no hassle. Even you yourself, if you have, your husband has a YouTube channel, your kids have a YouTube channel, you can use their separate YouTube channels and run this playlist. When you run the playlist, boom, you reach, you're going to reach your threshold. Meanwhile, as you reach the threshold, you should be also dropping consistently. You should be uploading, not on a live stream, but you should be uploading to put your content. And also, what do I encourage you to content? If you see, you can use the content that catches people's attention first, but in your line, as long as it is copyright free, it cannot violate rights. Then afterwards, you finish your monetization, you're going to be stable. You say, okay, I can be posting 2 times, 3 times, depending on how fierce and how focused you are. So this is the easiest and cheapest way for you to get 4,000 watch hours. I have friends who have been there for years that have never reached their watch hours. This is your time. If you want, try it and come. Thank me later. Thank you very much. We are on our road to monetize our new channel, and on